Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is the answer for question number 14. Okay, so answer for question number 14. Firstly, we look at the question is about price index and expenditure percentage of 4 items for a newborn baby. So this is the item, the price index 2020 base 2018. Okay, so that is the first okay, the note over there. Okay, so the price index 2020 base 2018. Okay, so this is the expenditure on percentage. So without so total percentage should be 100%. So therefore we can find the value of p here. So it becomes 75 plus 2p minus 5 equals to 100. So we get p equals to 15. So here is 15% and here is 10%. Okay, now we go to the answer question number A1. The monthly expenditure for infant in the year 2018 if the expenditure. Okay, so kita tengok sekarang ni talking about the milk powder. So milk powder, infant milk powder, this is the price index 135. So it want to know the expenditure for 2018 if the price for 2000 the expenditure for 2020 is 201. So remember the I-22 for 2018 for this, for milk powder, okay, is 135. So how we get it? We calculate it by knowing the price for each year for that particular year. So the particular year given 2020 is 210 times 100. So automatic you will get price for 2018 is equals to 2018 is equals to 210 divided by 1.35, that is 155.56 ringgit lah. Okay, so that is for question number A1. So A2, the price index for baby clothing 2020. So baby clothing 2020, I insert a new page here. Okay, so price index 2020 based on 2016. So the question asks about price index I 2020 base 2016. The question asks to find this. Okay, if the corresponding price 2008 price index, so given the price index 2018 over 2016, so the price index P index 2018 over 2016 is given by 130. Okay, so this is for, you look at this is for the baby clothing. So baby clothes, so baby clothes that we have information here is 120 price index 2020 2018. So we already have right, I 2020 over 2018 is 120. Okay, check that 120. Okay, this is the information given to you, the first one and the second one. So how to get this one? So for this kind of question we will use chain rule. So change rule, how to get change rule 2020 over 2016. We change it. Okay, so I 2020 times with I 2016 over, okay, so mesti multiple dengan 100 lah, 100 kat situ. Okay, so then okay, yang ni multiple 100 is always there, so ni kat sini. Okay, so tengok kat sini apa nak isi kat atas ni. Okay, look at, we have 2018 over 2016, so kita akan isi with the same same information. So I 2018 here and I 2018 there. Okay, so we will get 120 over, this is 130 over something times 100. Okay, so the value here always will be 100 over 100. We're talking about price index, mesti dia over 100. So then the value that we get is 120. So kita akan dapat 156. Okay, so settle soalan nombor B, number A2. Okay, so kita check sekejap for that question berapa markah. Okay, so this for question number A1 is 2 marks. Okay, so 2 marks basically dia akan bagi dekat sini and another one here, so dapat 2 marks. Okay, for this question, okay, ada 3 marks. Okay, the first mark is, okay, you betul buat chain rule ni and you substitute the correct value, then you calculate it. Okay, so dapat 3 marks. So all together is 5 marks for that question. Okay, so now kita tengok soalan untuk B. The composite index for total expenditure 2020. Sekejap, saya terhalang sekejap. Okay, 2020 base 2018 is 119. So composite index, dia punya simbol I bar. 2020 over 2018 is 119.5. So the question number B1 is find the value of P. So NY. So kita dah dapat tadi value of P is 15. Okay, kita dah dapat settle, dah dapat markah tu, but kita tulislah 15 kat sini. Okay, so A2 is B1, kita dah dapat P equals to 15. So another one is to get the value of Y. So kita tengok macam nak dapat Y. Y kat sini. Okay, how to get Y? So kita tengok gunakan formula I bar, which is I times dengan W. This is the weightage. Okay, so 135 times 50 plus Y times 25 plus 120 times 15, sorry, plus 70 times 10 over with total weightage is 100. Okay, so yang ni you dah tahu 119.5 is 119.5. Then you calculate it, kita akan dapat semua sekali 135 times 10 plus 120 times 15 plus 700, you get 3750 plus 25y over 100. So 25y is equals to 119.5 times 100 minus 3750. So kita akan dapat 8200. So our y is divided by 25. So dapat 328. Okay, so tu value untuk y kita 328. Ke saya salah kira, tengok sikit kat mana-mana. check 119.5 times 100 minus 3750 divided by 25. Sekejap tengok kat mana dia salah. Ada salah calculation ni. Tengok, is a 15. Okay, 135 times 50, 25, 120 times 15, 7 times A, and this one is 100. Okay, P is 100. It should be 100 lah. Okay. So 100 times 119.5, kita dapat 119. Kita detailkan sikit, kita akan dapat 3750 plus 25 equals to, okay, maybe kat sini kot salah, 135 times 50. Sini salah rupanya. Okay, so kat sini kita akan dapat 67, saya kira satu 6750 kat sini 120 times 15 is 1800. This is 700. So 6750 plus 1800 plus 700. So dapat 9250. So okay, 11950 minus 9250 dapat 2700 divide by 25. So dapat 108. Sorry, miscalculation. Okay, so that's for B1. So B2, the monthly expenditure for baby napkin in the year 2020. If the corresponding expenditure in 2018 is, okay, monthly expenditure for baby napkin. Okay, so dia cakap pasal baby napkin in 2020. So dia beri ni, okay. So kita tengok sini maklumat baby napkin. Okay, so ni baby napkin lah. Kita dah dapat baby napkin tadi. Y kita dah dapat 108 here. That is the price index. So dia beritahu price expenditure 2018 is 120. So I 2020 over 2008 for baby napkin is 135. So P 2020 over P 2018 times 100 is 108. So P 2020 over 130 times 100 is equals to 108. So P 2020 is equals to 108 divided by 100 times 130. So is 140.4. Okay, so itu saja. So markahnya for the first questions for B1. Okay, so this 1 mark here. Okay, you calculate over here is 1 mark. Okay, and the final answer Y is 1 mark. And another question. Okay, so ni satu markah kat sini and another 1 mark. Okay, so dapat total 10 marks. That's all.